In this Alesis Drums tutorial, I'll show you how to download, install, and activate the BFD Player software and expansion pack that comes bundled with your Alesis Strata Prime. To access the installers for your software, you'll need to have the serial number of your Strata Prime's module registered in your inMusic account. If you haven't registered your Strata Prime yet, check out the short videos linked in the description to learn how to create an inMusic account and how to register a product to it. So, with your Strata Prime registered, on the Product Registrations page in your inMusic account, click View Downloads next to your Strata Prime. On the right, under Software Downloads, open the inMusic Software Center drop-down menu. We'll use the inMusic Software Center to download and install the included software. Click the download link for your computer's operating system, either macOS or Windows. Keep this browser window open and logged into your inMusic account for now. You'll need to access it again later. Next, let's install and log in to the inMusic Software Center. If you're using macOS, the Software Center will download as a zip file, which you need to unzip first. Simply double-click the zip file, and the Software Center will be unzipped to the same location. Double-click it, and when prompted, move it to your Applications folder, and the program will begin running. If you're using Windows, the Software Center will download as an exe file, so all you have to do is double-click it, and it'll install itself and begin running. After the Software Center opens, you'll be prompted to log in with your inMusic account. Click Let's Go, and a new tab will open in your browser. Since you're already logged into your inMusic account, click Continue, then Accept, and now your account is linked with the Software Center. Before we can download the software installers, the Strata Prime setup wizard needs to be completed in the inMusic Software Center. After linking your account, you'll be prompted to connect your Strata Prime's module to your computer. Connect the USB-B end of a standard USB cable to the USB port on your module's rear panel. Then connect the USB-A end directly into one of the built-in USB ports on your computer. In the Software Center, you'll see this Redeem Software button. This is for registering and authorizing Dark Mahogany, which is the free BFD Player expansion pack that comes bundled with your kit. Click it, and you'll receive a notification once Dark Mahogany has been registered to your inMusic profile. Click Next, and on the Firmware Update page, click the checkbox for the Strata Prime Firmware Updater. Your Strata Prime's module requires a Day 1 firmware update, and this firmware updater is one of the 3 methods you can use to ensure full functionality and feature access for your module. Check out our video linked in the description to learn how to update your module's firmware. Click Next, and on the next page, make sure all 3 items are checked: BFD Player, BFD Player Core Library, and BFD Player Dark Mahogany. Then click Done. Once you complete the setup wizard, the installers for your included software will automatically begin downloading. Once the installers have finished downloading, you can begin installing your software. To install BFD Player and its core library, navigate to the My Software tab in the inMusic Software Center and click Install in the BFD Player entry. Follow the installation prompts to install BFD Player on your computer. Next, click Install in the BFD Player Core Library entry. While following the installation prompts, you'll be asked to select an installation location for the core library's files. This will default to creating a new folder in Documents, BFD Drums. The core library contains a lot of files, so installation may take some time to complete. Next, let's also get the Dark Mahogany expansion pack installed. In the inMusic Software Center, click on the My Expansions tab, and in the BFD Player Dark Mahogany entry, click Install. Just like with the core library, you'll be asked to select an installation location for Dark Mahogany. This file path will also default to creating a new folder in Documents, BFD Drums. Finally, while we won't get into the details of using BFD Player in this video, I do want to show you one important step you need to do before using your Strata Prime with it. After opening BFD Player, under the BFD Player logo in the top left, click this little down arrow icon. Then navigate to Engine, Keymap, and in the list of keymaps, select Alesis Strata Prime. This will ensure that the MIDI data sent by your connected Strata Prime module will trigger the correct drum sounds in BFD Player. As always, to access more walkthroughs, tutorials, and technical support for your Alesis Strata Prime, visit alesis.com/support. And be sure to check out our Alesis Strata Prime support playlist here on YouTube for more video tutorials. Thank you for watching, and have fun exploring the wide array of features that BFD Player has to offer for your Alesis Strata Prime.